This is a replica of a 1935 Auburn Boat Tail Speedster, built in 1973 by the Auburn factory. It's called a continuation car. There were 138 of them built. This is number 32. It has a Ford 460 cubic inch engine, C6 Ford automatic, and a 9-inch Ford rear end. This is not a kit car. It is fiberglass, but it was built by the Auburn factory at the Auburn factory, and it's considered a continuation car. This car drives well, but it's not what you would call a long distance car. It's still 1930s technology. For the most part, it has side curtains. It has a cloth top which fits only fairly well. It's not really waterproof, so it's not a car you drive on long distances. Since this car is a modern interpretation of the original car, it has air conditioning, it has a stereo radio, automatic transmission. The suspension is a 1967 Ford Galaxy, modified somewhat to fit this body. The exhaust coming out of the engine and through the fenders in the stainless steel covers was a common feature on the Auburns and on the Cords and on the Duesenbergs. It is stainless steel, it is real exhaust. It goes through the fender and then makes a sharp 90-degree turn toward the center of the car and another 90-degree turn and out the back, as a standard exhaust would do. The purpose was that they didn't have enough room to run the exhaust down the side of the engine and out the back of the car like a more modern car might do. And it was also a stylish feature that they used for the car. These are called suicide doors. They open from the front rather than the back. And the reason, my understanding, is that the old latches, once in a while, if you go over railroad tracks or some bumpy road, would actually come open, and the driver or the passenger, depending on which side it is, would make a grab for the door, and the door would be swinging open and pull them right out of the car. So it's not a feature you see very often today.